Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 8, 2022, one-star Sudoku. 9th grade. We have 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. 8th grade. We already have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G. We already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 5. Column I, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Ninth grade, 4 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 8, 9. 9th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Column I, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 7, 8. Column F, 9th row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. Column D, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 7, 9. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row, then column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 7. 2nd grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. And 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 8. 2nd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come this cell. And 7th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 8. 3rd row we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 9. 7th grade, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one numbers are remaining. One is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. Second row and sixth row we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Sixth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Second row we have 3. So 3 can come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fourth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column C we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Third row we have 4. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Third row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column H we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column H we have already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Fifth row we have 1. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. Seventh row and sixth row we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Sixth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.